Hello and welcome to the Airmeet platform. Make sure you've joined using the link sent to your email. Once you're signed in, check to make sure your profile is updated by clicking here. You'll want to make sure you have an image updated, your name, designation, organization, city, and country or state. If you're a student, we ask that your designation be changed to your major and organization be changed to your classification year. Also, students, we highly recommend including your LinkedIn URL in the About Me section. Once your profile is updated, you can go back into the Airmeet and you'll see several options on the right. The first is the sessions. So for this event, from 11 to 12 will be a Leadership Walton Early Access event. Then the Regional Career Fair will be from 12 to 4. You can also click the Attendees tab, hover over people's names, and it will show their profile. You can also search for juniors or by company name if you're a student. You can also see a list view here if you prefer that. There's also a chat feature. The live chat will show up for everybody that's attending the event. The direct chat is for one-on-one conversations with other attendees. To join a table and begin chatting, you can scroll through and see the list of all of the companies. If you're a company representative, you want to click on your table and take a seat. Students will be able to join you, and you'll be in a video call with up to 8 individuals. If you're joining your table and you would like to carry on a one-on-one conversation with a student, you can invite them to join you at a one-on-one chat table. Say you already have 7 students at your table and another representative has joined, you can say, "Hi, would you please join our representative at one-on-one chat table number 35. Click here, and that student will be able to join you easily. If you have any questions at all throughout the event, make sure you check into the help desk here. We'll have Walton Career Services representatives here to answer your questions. We hope you have a wonderful time using the Airmeet platform, and we look forward to seeing you at the event.